Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create yourself an Epic Games account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, what you would do is simply going to go ahead and access your browser, go to search bar and type in Epic Games. Once you have done so, this kind of official website of it's going to show up like that in the homepage section, and you're going to tap on this three horizontal and that will be given on top right corner. Tap on this profile icon and you can see here in this section, if you have already account with them, you can tap on it and you will be signed in. Or you can simply go ahead, choose any of the option, tap on Facebook, PlayStation, or in Xbox accounts. Whatever you have, tap on it and the information it will detect and will get you logged in. You don't have to do anything. Otherwise, tap on email address, enter your email address over here, tap on this continue, and you're gonna go ahead, enter your birth date over here. Once you're done, tap on this continue option and this will ask for your country, first name, last name, which you're gonna add, display name, password, and you're gonna go ahead, tap on this I have read and agreed the terms and conditions, tap on this continue, and you will be able to create yourself an account like that. Very easy. This will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all, and thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.